Nobody told me lipstick was supposed to make my lips feel this good. Because every lipstick I'd ever worn left them drier, tighter, more cracked than before. I just thought that was the deal. Color now, suffer later. Turns out, I just never met the right one. Evo Beauty Lab's gentle, moisturizing, charming lipstick changed everything. This isn't just color, it's a formula that actually feeds your lips while it beautifies them. Soft, smooth, genuinely comfortable from the very first swipe. The pigment is rich, the finish is stunning, and your lips feel like they've been taken care of, not punished. No more peeling, no more tightness pulling at the corners of your mouth. Just that effortless, charming look you actually want to wear all day. Chapped lips don't have to be your story anymore. Evo Beauty Lab proves that great lipstick should work for your lips, not against them. The link is right below. Go treat yourself.